More than 80% of older adults in the US are deficient in at least one essential vitamin needed to keep their legs strong and stable each day. According to the CDC, this silent deficiency is causing millions to gradually lose their independence, all starting from seemingly harmless symptoms in their legs. Difficulty standing up, leg fatigue, or numbness may stem from a lack of vitamins that support mobility after 60, and if not corrected in time, the damage can extend to the nervous system. In this video, I'll share with you 7 proven vitamins for nerve health seniors that help maintain balance, coordination, and confident movement. Watch until the end because the 6th vitamin is often overlooked, yet it holds the key to restoring leg sensation for thousands of people over 60. Vitamin 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is one of the most important nutrients for supporting both the musculoskeletal and nervous systems after age 60. It not only enhances calcium absorption to prevent osteoporosis, but also plays a vital role in balance and daily motor coordination. That's why a deficiency in vitamins that support mobility after 60 is among the leading causes of falls and loss of physical autonomy in seniors. According to the Journal of the American Geriatric Society, older adults lacking vitamin D have over twice the risk of falling due to weakened muscles and delayed reflexes. This is why supplementing vitamins that support mobility after 60 should be a top priority in any preventive care routine. At the same time, when taken at the correct dosage, this vitamin also enhances vitamins for nerve health seniors by promoting better nerve signal transmission. You can get vitamin D through 15 to 20 minutes of morning sunlight and from foods like fatty fish, mushrooms, eggs, and fortified dairy. Supplementing correctly not only strengthens bones, but also protects the nervous system from early degeneration, making it a powerful vitamin that supports mobility after 60. And if you think vitamin D is enough, keep watching. The next vitamin for nerve health seniors nourishes your nervous system deep within, and without it, all your physical efforts could be in vain. Vitamin 2. Vitamin B12. This vitamin helps create myelin, the protective sheath around nerves, and ensures smooth communication between the brain and lower limbs. A deficiency in vitamins for nerve health seniors can result in leg numbness, mobility difficulties, and even frequent tripping. An 82-year-old man in Florida once shared that he ate well and walked daily, yet constantly felt like he was walking on foam due to tingling under his feet. Doctors later found he was severely deficient in vitamin B1, B6, B12 legs. After regular B12 supplementation, he regained feeling in his legs and felt confident walking again. This condition is more common than most realize. Many seniors don't know that a lack of vitamins for nerve health seniors is silently weakening their nervous systems day by day. Vitamin B12 is found in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. However, those over 60 often absorb it poorly due to digestive changes, requiring sublingual or injectable forms under medical supervision. When supplemented adequately, vitamins that support mobility after 60 not only protect nerves, but also visibly improve leg muscle strength. That's 2 essential vitamins so far. Have you ever supplemented with them? Share your experience in the comments so others can learn and improve their health too. If you've ever woken up with legs that feel electrified, you may be missing the next vitamin. Don't skip ahead, the next 3 minutes could help prevent that forever. Vitamin 3. B-complex. B vitamin deficiencies don't just cause fatigue, they can directly impair mobility after 60. When nerve signaling weakens, older adults may experience trembling legs, balance issues, or numb feet. That's why full-spectrum B-complex for seniors is a foundation for preserving nerve health and day-to-day flexibility. The most critical types after 60 are B1, B6, and B12. B1 helps convert energy for muscles, B6 regulates neurotransmission, and B12 supports nerve sheath repair. Consistent intake of vitamins that support mobility after 60 aids muscle recovery and supports motor nerve health. Vitamins for nerve health seniors work best when taken at the right dose. Many older adults have reduced numbness by increasing vitamin B1, B6, B12 legs through diet or supplementation. Besides eggs, fish, beans, and whole grains, those with poor absorption may need synthetic blends. Some are also advised to take anti-inflammatory vitamins to calm irritated nerves and combine them with nerve repair nutrients for more complete recovery. If you've ever experienced muscle spasms or nighttime cramps, the next section will explain why that happens and how to prevent muscle cramps naturally and safely at home. Vitamin 4, magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most critical minerals for maintaining stable muscle and nerve function, especially after age 60. A lack of magnesium for nerve signals can disrupt electrical impulses, causing leg twitching, cramping, or tremors, often ignored signs of neuromuscular imbalance. A common mistake is supplementing only calcium and neglecting magnesium. Calcium helps contract muscles, while magnesium helps them relax. Without proper balance, muscles may tighten, especially at night. That's why vitamins that support mobility after 60 work best when paired with magnesium for improved neuromuscular control. Magnesium is found in leafy greens, beans, seeds, and whole grains. Seniors should opt for citrate or glycinate forms for better absorption. When supplemented correctly, magnesium boosts vitamins for nerve health seniors and enhances signal flow from brain to limbs. And if you want to pair these nutrients with the right meals, don't miss the Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 playlist linked below. This guide will help you build meals that support leg function supplements for elderly, especially for those recovering from mobility challenges. The next section covers a familiar vitamin that's often misunderstood, and it could be the missing piece in your recovery. Vitamin 5, vitamin D3 plus K2. When taken in the right ratio, vitamin D3 and K2 work synergistically to enhance calcium absorption and direct it to the correct places in the body. This duo acts as a powerful vitamin that supports mobility after 60, strengthening bones, supporting muscles, and preventing calcium buildup in the wrong tissues. Together, they improve nerve sensitivity, boost leg reflexes, and stabilize each step. When taken consistently, they support vitamins for nerve health seniors by optimizing mineral use throughout the body. D3 is especially known as a vitamin D for balance, influencing physical steadiness and movement coordination in seniors. Paired with K2, its stabilizing effects become even more pronounced, helping seniors maintain independence and avoid dangerous falls. Vitamin D3 plus K2 also enhance muscle tone and work synergistically with leg function supplements for elderly to improve leg flexibility and endurance. If you're seeking a natural way to support daily movement, check out the Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 playlist for foods rich in D3 and K2. Still with me? Comment the number 2 to show you're serious about your leg health. Now let's move on to a vitamin often forgotten, yet it's the key to restoring leg sensation after 60. Vitamin 6, omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for protecting the nervous system and improving physical movement after 60. They regulate reflexes, reduce inflammation, and enhance muscle elasticity, especially in the legs. When consistently taken, omega-3 acts as a vitamin that supports mobility after 60, sustaining smooth and stable movement. A 2020 study in Nutrients showed that seniors supplementing omega-3 daily had significantly better nerve reflexes and balance than those who didn't. This highlights its role in safeguarding vitamins for nerve health seniors and preventing neuromuscular decline. Omega-3 also repairs damaged nerves, especially in seniors suffering from chronic leg numbness. That's why it's classified as one of the essential nerve repair nutrients for post-60 recovery. Plus, with its strong anti-inflammatory properties, it qualifies as one of the most effective anti-inflammatory vitamins, reducing nerve pain and easing mobility. When combined with leg function supplements for elderly, omega-3 accelerates motor recovery, minimizes cramps, and restores sensation. If you've made it this far, Stay with me, the final vitamin might be the most important of all. Vitamin 7, vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that neutralizes free radicals and slows aging in the musculoskeletal system. When properly supplemented, it enhances the benefits of vitamins that support mobility after 60, improving muscle endurance and recovery. Vitamin E also plays a role in regulating peripheral nerve function. In seniors, this is crucial for maintaining foot sensitivity and responding to ground contact. As such, it is considered a comprehensive vitamin for nerve health seniors, improving sensation, reflexes, and balance. With daily supplementation, vitamin E reduces stiffness, numbness, and even joint pain, thanks to its potent anti-inflammatory vitamin effects. When paired with omega-3 or vitamin C, its nerve protective benefits multiply. You'll find vitamin E in nuts, vegetable oils, leafy greens, and avocados. Taken daily, it supports the performance of leg function supplements for elderly, helping your body move more smoothly in any situation. Whether you're dealing with numbness, instability, or simply want to preserve leg health long-term, choosing the right vitamins and minerals is non-negotiable. Stick with what works for your body and apply it every day. Strong legs are the foundation of an independent, energized life in your golden years. Leave a comment with the vitamin you're currently taking or want to learn more about. Your interaction helps me create even more helpful content for leg health after 60. And don't forget to watch the full Foods and Vitamins for Leg Strength After 60 playlist below. It's a complete guide to building a nutrient-rich diet that keeps your legs moving strong every single day.